Finally, I'm stepping out to buy a new phone. I have been using the current one for more than a year now, so thought to pamper myself with the new one. Hi, I'm Harshika and I'm looking for a new phone. Was wondering if you could help me to finalize one?
Hello Harshika, welcome to our store. Madhav Mobile, my name is Harish Magnani. I'm glad to help you. Please come. This is the V27 Pro. It's been in great demand since its launch. We have had people queuing up asking for this phone.
Wow, I'm totally impressed with its stunning design. This curve looks so seamless. Plus, its silliness adds to its elegance.
Absolutely spot on Harshika. And in the circle that you move with, this phone is certainly going to get you spotlight. Also, it is 50 megapixel OIS camera which features night portrait with aura light, which will surely help you in your line of work.
With such an amazing design, I am sure I will be in the spotlight wherever I go. I am super excited. And before signing off, I have a surprise for you all. A special gift to anyone who come with a screenshot of this video along with the promo code mentioned below and buy this V27 series from Madhav Mobile. So what are you waiting for? Time to grab your spotlight.